Hello guys again, and we are back with a new unboxing, viewing and testing of this absolutely total gift tech set from Silvercrest. And what we've got inside, we've got a headphones, nice, we've got a Bluetooth speaker with a nice design. It feels very nice, very soft. And we've got a mini power bank. Yeah, you can charge your phone. Here you can see how much power you've got. We've got 4 LEDs if it's fully charged. Here we've got 3 LEDs. And there is some manuals inside, individual manuals for each device, how to work and how to use it. But stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about that. We've got a micro USB for your power bank, for charging your power bank and charging, and your Bluetooth speaker with your power bank. Here is another micro USB cable, smaller than that. We've got this cable for your headphones. We've got a microphone and a button. The headphones, you can adjust them. Put it in your hand. It feels very soft. You can see logo Silvercrest, metallic here. We've got an aux here. That means you can connect another headphones. You can connect your smartphone here and to the next. If you've got the same headphones or a different, you can connect and the other, and you can hear with your loved ones the same music. Next we got this Bluetooth speaker. I'm going to connect it. You can connect it with this 3.5 headphone jack, or you can connect it via Bluetooth. Now for the Bluetooth, you can push this button, is the on-off switch. You can hear sound. Then the Bluetooth. I can see a slight blue light indicator inside. There's a hole. Yeah, here it is. Well, let's go to the Bluetooth settings on my phone. Turn the Bluetooth. And down there we can find out, I think this is the SFBLL3A2. Bluetooth pairing request, okay. Yeah, connection has been established. Here we are. Oh, let's hear some sound. Yeah. If I will touch it, I can feel the sound is coming out 4 ways from this Bluetooth speaker, and it's shaking. It has a very, very good dynamic bass. You see, it's moving. Very loud, very strong bass. The sound, it's nice. Well, I didn't expect the music sound so nice. Clear sound, I love it. Now, let's move on to the headphones. Okay, I have connected to my phone, of course. More phones now, they don't have a 3.5 head jack, but why not? You can use them by connecting to the Bluetooth speaker and then send via Bluetooth the music here, and then you can hear to your headphone jack. Well, let's see. Wow, nice sound. Yeah. Well, let's put it to my... And now you've got an idea how it sounds. And from this button you can pause and resume your music. Well, let's see if we can do that into our call when we are calling someone. Yeah, you can do that. You can sit down and resume your call. That's very convenient when you hear music. And next, let's try to charge the Bluetooth speaker. You've got two cables. And we can see we've got an orange light. When it fully charges, it will go to blue. And same for the power bank. You can see there are 4 lights when it fully charged. And we've got input 5 volts 1 amp and output 5 volts 1 amp. Well, let's see overall. We've got the power bank. Of course, you can charge your phone when it's out of power. Don't expect the new smartphone to be charged full. I'm sure it will be charged to 50 and 60% of your smartphone's battery. This battery is about 2600 milliamps. Well, that much use it will take your smartphone, 50 to 60%. Well, why not? Definitely it will help you in life-saving conditions. Well, next we have the Bluetooth speaker. Overall, I can say great sound, design, it's very smooth, I like it. It's a small tube, nice. Next we have the headphones. The sound is very good. We've got out and in, that means you can hear music and with other person. It's very soft. And to your head, a little bit small, but the softness is not going to do any damage to your ears. You can close it like that and take it with you. Well guys, I think it's a very nice high-tech gift set for a present or for yourself, for your girlfriend, for your loved ones. Why not? It has everything that you want. And it costs only 30 euros. Cute present. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.